When we talk about Cat Reman products, we focus on what we call minor components, which is smaller engines, all of the engine components that are remanufacturable, drivetrain components. How do we continue to expand those offerings? We've got about 8,000 unique part numbers today, and we've developed almost 400 new parts and assemblies just this year.
We typically implement Cat Reman parts in anything powertrain related, whether it be engine components, transmission components, differential components. That is our base of Cat Reman parts.
One of the key advantages of getting a Cat Reman transmission, you are getting it from the same people that designed and manufactured that product in the first place.
You're disassembling to the lowest level, you're cleaning, you're inspecting, you're also salvaging parts to bring it back to the same specifications as new.
In today's world, an engine that costs $50,000 or $60,000, a transmission costs $60,000, $70,000. And when you can offer a major component like that at a fraction, it's a really great cost savings for the customer, and it's also a time savings factor because it's all assembled, it's ready to go. It's all about how can you save for next year's problems, next year's solutions.
Our engineers are working very hard to identify parts that can typically wear out within the drivetrain. It gives us the ability to maybe remanufacture what in the past we had to throw away and buy new.
We can go anywhere from aluminum bronze all the way to tungsten carbide. Those hardened materials cause our product to last longer.
Our customers, they need uptime and they need reliability and durability. And they can swap out the entire transmission and be back up and running much quicker.
The ultimate goal is to keep our customer working.